What is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? I kind of wanted to just show you this Street Glide seat. We actually, obviously, we warranty all of our work. This one here, even though we did a custom stitch pattern and we did it many years ago, the red had faded very bad, so it was gone. And we figured it would be easier to just redo the stitching. But unfortunately, the material that we used originally is on back order. So this gentleman gets brand new seat cover, new material, new backrest, everything custom flamed out. So you can see here, this is like, we used to do a lot of these old school flames. What's funny is sometimes if a seat's not symmetrical or people don't want to pay for a symmetrical design, because to make a flame job symmetrical, it takes a little bit longer. What we would do is we would do stuff where we'd actually extend the tips. You want to even balance, even though your flames aren't symmetrical. So a lot of times what we'll do is we'll extend this one longer, keep this one shorter, but then extend this one longer, keep this one shorter, and vice versa. And that kind of will balance off your design, even though it's not symmetrical. To me, symmetry is great, but sometimes art is nice too, where it's just, it doesn't have to have that perfection on side to side. This kind of just flows with the bike and it kind of has its own life to it. But anyways, this here is an older Street Glide, and this is our red flame stitch. It's a little bit heavier red, like I said, and this is our imitation leather, which is it's a vinyl obviously, but it has a nice flat look to it, and it's a real nice durable material. I dig how it looks. Hopefully you like it. You could always, if you're interested in these things, check them out at atomicautoworks.com. And obviously here at YouTube, make sure to like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the bell. Thank you.